Guys, let's go. Balikan natin, panoorin natin yung laban po, Manny Pacquiao versus Cotto, Miguel Cotto. Kasi napakagandang balikan, guys. So, tara, sige, let's go. Panoorin natin. Okay, touch glove. Let's go. Panoorin natin, guys. Let's go, round 1. Yun, job. Tumama agad, guys. Kumonekta kaya yung job ni Miguel Cotto. Tinamaan si Pacquiao dun, guys.
That was my first key to victory for Pacquiao, for Miguel Cotto tonight, was to use the jab, which he did against.
Let's go.
He's got to do something to take this guy's speed away, to get around the speed. And the jab will help. Time those rushes. And so far,
very well. And the likes of Zab Judah and the likes of Shane Mosley.
Yun.
One-dimensional slugger. He could jab, he could counterpunch, he could box, he finds ways to win.
Guys who were southpaw, Zab Judah a southpaw.
Chop wobbled him, but he overcomes adversity, doesn't he? And here we see body shots a couple of seconds ago. It's almost a hybrid punch from Cotto, but it really will be a key, as Rich said.
He has not figured out how to attack.
Maganda at malakas din yung job ni Miguel Cotto, guys. Oh. Yung mga street job ni Miguel Cotto, malakas din. Yun. Matake Pacquiao, guys. Let's go. Round 1. There we go. 5 seconds left. Round 1. Okay. This is gonna be a good fight, guys. Okay. End of round 1. Tingnan natin ang replay. Combination si Miguel Cotto, guys. Bumigay ng combination. Okay, round 2. Let's go. Matibay talaga, guys. Oh. Matibay ito si Cotto, guys. Tingnan lang natin kung saan tatagal tong laban na to, guys.
Gives up his any kind of advantage there. Straight to his knees. Pacquiao moving away from that left hook now. Much more deliberate fight from Pacquiao. Nice left hand. It's a combination.
Pacquiao moving, giving him angles, finding a right control.
He's figuring things out a little bit now and working the body, Cotto.
Going in control. He's not reverting right away, getting into the slugfest. There's that left hook, sweeps in on Pacquiao.
That's a power punch, too. You better believe it.
Absolutely.
Beautiful combination by Pacquiao.
Yeah, but there comes Cotto back, and Pacquiao has picked his shots. He's a precise puncher.
Now we're seeing some of that speed going Pacquiao beginning to make a little bit of a difference for him.
You're right, Rich. I think he had to adjust to the strength of Cotto, and he had to realize that he could hang in there. And now he's able to set a little more.
See if they'll hang in there.
My job.
Round, guys. Cotto's had his moments. He goes southpaw. Covers up. What's that switch? He's a natural left-hander. Body head, but the body really landed. For Cotto, back comes Pacquiao. Stinging combination.
Do you love it?
Love it. Big combination, big hook by Cotto.
Cotto's the guy moving forward.
The action was red hot throughout the round.
And round 2. Let's go.
Although Cotto still was able to land big shots.
And round 2. So ngayon, replay. Tingnan natin yung replay. Yun, tinamaan si Pacquiao sa replay. Kikita sa replay. So, let's go. Round 3. Round 3. Yun. Klarong-klaro sa replay. Round 3 knockdown.
Is Manny going to try to close it out big? Could be very dangerous for him.
Here comes Pacquiao coming forward. He's off the jab now. Pacquiao's in front of him. Taking the lead here. Driving the champion back. Cotto's been down.
Now he's bullying Pacquiao there. That's the right thing for him to do. If he shouldered him off,
Oh, he runs into the hook, Pacquiao. But the champion retreats and resets. But I'll tell you, I like the speed of Cotto. He doesn't look so slow.
Cotto does not look slow at all. He's seeming to matching him with counter punches, and Pacquiao cannot get overconfident and think he has his man.
Cotto with a hook. Pacquiao comes up with air. Cotto bites down with more power shots. A lot of those Pacquiao punches missing.
we should remember too that Miguel Cotto is a guy who has been shaken in fights. He has been knocked down like by Ricardo Torres. He knows how to get up and win.
Yes, a lot of heart. No one's never questioned. That was a big combination.
You know what I'm giving? You know what?
Cotto's caught, I believe, under his right arm.
And round 3.
So arguably a 10-8 round, huh?
Cotto answered with a nice uppercut. Hook to the body, uppercut.
Well, that'll be an interest. If fight goes the distance, it'll be interesting to see how they scored that one. I scored it 10-8.
10-8 probably.
Round 4. Let's go.
Arguably a 10-9.
Big show of respect for Cotto's strength.
Absolutely. Pacquiao able to
Salta daw.
Yeah.
backing up with measured aggression. Oh, left hand lands to the face.
Pacquiao did not slide off those ropes, and he had to pay the price.
Another left hand, but Pacquiao answers with
Clearly, this is the most Pacquiao's been hit in the last 3-4 fights.
body shot by Pacquiao. That's what he should be doing.
Mayroon sa ating mga people na sa pulistasyon sa time watching 25
Round 4. Let's go.
26 sa
Yun.
ating oras is
Pacquiao was fighting back.
5:25 ang iyong kaplas kabuka. Dahil nakamusap sa ating programa pagkakasiligan sa air forecast ng District ng Katalhan ay kitandang sa isang sa Katalman at sa duwag sa ating komunidad. Ako si Arvin Velasquez sa Operation 1 Section sa MDRMO. Pagiging po natin pagsidan ang pag-update sa pagkakasiligan.
Bugbog na si Cotto guys. Nabugbog na si Cotto.
Honorable Cesar C. Colina Sr. Vice Mayor Honorable Osbertina.
Maganda din ng laban nila guys.
Officials and functionaries sa pagkakasiligan sa Imusyo dahil naman ang pinagpapalong pinita na pagkakabanan sa nangyari sa mga isa dahil naman pinagpapalita lang ng kauban sa kusina sa MDRMO ang mga drivers, staff, responders, communicators, at mga kung isa sa pumaya
Yun. Tinumahan si Pacquiao dun guys. No?
sa video o mga kapag pero lang sa mga isa. Ano yung kakaroon sa update sa panahon? By sa Bustic Mag-asa localized report crimes for WO issued on April 21,
Ayun.
2026.
Bagsak na naman, guys.
Na kapitong panahon is Easterlies.
Kitang-kita talaga guys.
Visayas o Mindanao. Ang Easterlies na epekto kung sa Luzon, sa Visayas o sa Mindanao. Pero sa base sa pinag-ulitis forecast sa District Pag-asa, walay bagyo o operation area na gamit ang sunod sa
And a brown. And a brown 5.
Pacquiao is a
Ano ba lang sa pagpatak-patak ang pag-ulan tidak ng business tennis?
So let's go to round 5. And round 4 pala yung kanina.
Bitaw
Down.
sa silangan,
Round 4. Let's go. Round 5 na po.
Mission sa kanangatan, kasagaran ng pinagdalaong mainit na panahon. Kaya pinag-mocking.
Kailangan bumawi ni Cotto guys. Kaya kailangan siyang matake na umatake. Kailangan mag-ingat siya. Dahil malakas din si Pacquiao guys. Talagang malakas siya. Mabilis.
Yung kaling mga panahon.
Yun.
Pinag-epekto sa
Ano naman.
katuwang lungsod sa Laresang Luzon. Padayon kita, samtang kasarap ng tamang na hangin ng ibigan sa amihang siglangan, nato sa sigawan sa aksyon sa tamang na pagbalot na sa kadatan na sa 1.5 to 2.5 meters sa kadatan sa damang de oro. Forecast may recommendation sa damang de oro, not the condition na punahang expertly to cloud sky at times flurry with wind showers or thunderstorms. So, hinggan kayo sa easterlies. Siguro yung pag-impact ng flash floods, pagbaha, or landslide, yung siguro thunderstorm. So, forecast with wind and coastal condition.
Manny Pacquiao guys versus Cotto.
Moderate.
Dalawang beses ng
coastal water is moderate.
na-down si Cotto guys. Third round at saka second round ata yun. Saka fourth round. Ngayon, dito na tayo andito na tayo sa final 10 seconds po sa round 5. Let's go.
So, yung basuhan ng masabuntay na mabunitar o sa presya sa pagkakas sa Mystic Pagasa, sa Miguel View o so, ano yan nakaroon sa itong panahon sa Pagasa based on wendy.com Earth Zone nakuha ng 1 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Let's go sa round 6.
Kasi nakita ka sa panahon sa midday. So, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. So, nasa natin ang 25 to 22 degrees Celsius with partly cloudy sky with scattered wind na ulan. So, pagkatapos na sa 8 p.m. to 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. nasa natin ang 19 to 18 degrees Celsius with cloudy sky. So, yung gusto ang gapo ng residente sa Malusan, ako na nasa mga police areas na nakabante sa pita sa pagkulan kung hindi mo sa pagbaha ang hindi sinita. So, sa mga drivers na nag-ride na rin, mag-ibatid sa pita sa pag-ride na mga sa mga pagbasaga, community ka sa pagkalaptop at mga pagkabanti. Kung sa mga activities o na po ay kulinan sa pagkinaot payong o rinto o kulinan sa ulan. So, ang atong sa Malusan, picture niya po ng histories sa atong panahon. Makata itong update sa Malusan. So, kaya bago lang natin sa panahon karon, lalo na sa kainit sa panahon, pwede tambak sa warming ng
Body shot yung pinapakawalan Pacquiao guys, body shot. Pinupuntirin na yung katawan ni Cotto guys.
High heat index expected today. So, natin natin pag-init tayo na. So, be aware to that. Dangerous heat level cause excessive of heat stroke. Nakapin sa lawas o commit stroke. So, sila natutuwa ng children, ng bata, bilang ilabuntis about the sa mga construction workers o mga luma, ang PETSED, sinabi sa lahat ng mga pag-apekto sa kainit sa panahon. Safety reminders lang, drink plenty of water. Inom ng tubig, mawawala ang panahon sa kainit sa panahon. Even wala tayo so, suot ng tao, like clothes. So,
Bakal talaga sa round 7 no?
Ito ng doctor sa ito ang pag sa pagkainit sa panahon. Doon mo samot siya kainit sa panahon. So, wear like clothes. White t-shirt. Hindi siya exposed sa init sa sigla sa ibaw. So, stay indoors between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So, wala ng trabaho o saman, wala na stay lang sa balay kung saan may gabi nito kayo. So, use sunscreen. So, may mga pro and activities sa gawas. Avoid source outdoor activities na kayo kahabot sa pagbukan sa gawas sa panimalay o outdoor. Never leave children or pets inside the vehicles. Ayaw gahin nyo mga pets o mga anak sa sulod ng sakyan sa pagdabi sa init sa panahon ko. So, watch out for sign heat stroke. mga sinyalis ng sinabi ng pag-stroke, paglikong, kung paglabag sa ulo, pagsusuka, o kusog ang pag-heartbeat sa heart, kusog sa pag-heartbeat sa
End of round 7.
confusion. So,
Let's go.
dito,
Let's see the replay.
sa sarili, kung ano dito pa parang tubag. So, mo yung mga signs sa mga heat stroke. So,
Ayan, let's go sa round 8.
be aware, ani, dapat
Sa round 8 na tayo, guys. Let's go.
Nasa outer area o sa nakaka-expose sa heat sa level ng trabaho. So, emergency seek help immediately. MDRO, kanina yung ganda mo sa mga YouTube sa inyong tawag. So, nakita yung hotline number, pwede na ito makawagan. Yung sa mga tabo. Emergency or mga concerns na program. So, 0912-138-5422. Mo kanya itong PM number, 0912. Mo kanya itong PET number, 0912-138-5422. PET number, 0912-138-5422. Appetite PM number, 0997-773-2870. PM number 0997-773-2870. So, mukha na itong hotline number na pwede na itong makawagan. Pwede ko nyo na ito makita sa MDRO Marabusan. So, sa page, makita nyo sa FB ang ato ang hotline number. So, let's meet day together. Kung ano ba na natin sa panahon. Stay updated, stay prepared, stay alive.
Pakan talaga, guys.
Drink water,
Oh,
plenty. So, mo ba ito heat index sa ating panahon para lang naman sa tuwang mga naitrabaho o expose
Ayun.
sa kainit sa adlaw o mga tuwang
mama yun.
Let's
go, round 9. Let's go. Cotto versus Pacquiao. Pacquiao versus Cotto.
Ang MDR mo, ang may mga sa inyo, 24/7.
Puerto Rico versus Philippines.
Sa may emergency na pinatabo. Ano na kami magtubag? Ilang kami magtubag sa inyo. So, ang MDR mo, kami yung training doon sa inyo. Kung kami yung malito, hindi din sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa inyo po paminaw. Hanggang sa sunod ngayon. The solution na dito, ang joke kita. Lambo, double euro, pitsip, Marabusan, maaring bunta.
This is my project, so yeah.
Pacquiao's work rate has been so measured. Champion absorbing punches. Could turn into a systematic beating unless the champion can turn things around. And now he's wobbled badly and holding on.
Holy.
As Pacquiao launched a furious assault. A minute left, gentlemen. Get his legs. He's on the ropes.
Big combination by Miguel.
Oh. Pacquiao looking for the evening-ending combination. Half minute to go in the ninth.
The top of the gloves.
Another flurry.
They might stop it in the corner.
He's got to fight back.
This is close to a 10-8 round without a knockdown.
Absolutely.
Doing it there with speed and combinations, leaving Cotto no choice but to do anything but just defend himself. He really couldn't fire back in this round as he was in previous rounds.
Just don't
Ano?
Yeah.
no reason to
Rounds to go. If he gets back into the fight and wins this.
Here we go. Round 10.
I really thought we'd be seeing a different fight at this point.
Wow, wasn't that a punctuation point?
Kailangan protektahan ni Cotto yung sarili niya dito, guys, kasi nabubugbog na siya. Pero kumaka-counter siya.
Box now.
Malakas din si Cotto, guys. Maganda yung pinakita na laban, guys, eh. Dito, guys, eh. Nga lang, nabugbog siya.
Hasn't looked crisp this round, but
Well, he's moving around like he's had a lot of energy, and I think Manny's just waiting for him to settle a little bit for the final slay.
Half minute to go in the 10th. And we'll go to the corners and see at least will they let him go to the 11th. It appears so.
Yan na, magang-maga na yung mukha ni Cotto guys. Oh. Parang kinagat ng lambuyugin. Parang kinagat mo ng lambuyugin yung mata ni Cotto. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Kawawa naman.
Freddie Roach hasn't had to tell Manny Pacquiao much.
Kawawa naman yung mukha ni Cotto guys. Nabugbog.
Friend, confidant.
Complete role reversal, and it happened.
To really trying to win this fight in the last 6 minutes, because if he does what his corners,
Credit Pacquiao, he's controlled his pace the entire fight.
Ayan na naman. Ayan na naman. Ayan na naman.
He got caught coming in there, but
Just trying to pick a spot.
look, Pacquiao fighting him when he wants, coasting when he wants. It's all him. You know, for an end for the flurry of the punch that ends it.
I have a moral victory by ending it on his feet at this point.
Now, nothing's working, guys. Nothing.
Manny,
And that's just a stare down. Wow.
Wala na. Basag na basag. Magang-maga na yung mukha ni Cotto talaga.
He's in red.
give you indication that Pacquiao can handle himself with Mayweather.
Sure. Funny.
Feet is Cotto.
I believe they're going to
Miguel Cotto palagi na lang siyang umatras guys eh. Tumatakbo eh.
A technical knockout. But pride doesn't get in the way of good judgment, because
You know, this guy may not fight again.
Okay, the final round.
in Manny's
Round 12. Let's go.
I would think so.
and there he goes. Congratulations. And Kenny had his face turned.
Well, now we're in the 12th, needless to say. And Manny is in the house as the chant lifts up from the Puerto Rican crowd has gone silent. Stinging combination.
Wala na.
And that was a round knockout for Manny Pacquiao.
Wala na. Yeah. Round 12. Tinapos na yung laban guys. Hininto na referee. Round ano?
many shots. Kenny Bayless
Round 12.
Pacquiao coming, landing strong shots. Bayless jumped in.
Wala na, kawawa talaga. Dapat talaga noon pa'y tinigil yung laban guys eh.
The fighting pride of the Philippines, Manny
Yan. So, ano pala yun? Ito ha? Title, ano? Nakataya pala dito yung ano? Nakataya pala dun yung ano guys, yung tropeo. Nakataya pala yung championship match pala yun guys. So, salamat guys. If you like more, like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Salamat. God bless. Peace.